Good morning, students. We are going to see about your optical fiber connectors. Under optical fiber connectors, we are going to see your multimode fiber joints. So this multimode fiber joints is this is going to be there is going to be a fiber misalignment. Then there is going to be a loss that is going to be encountered because of the various misalignment of the fiber types there. So here in this case, the losses may be either due to the lateral misalignment, or it can be due to the angular misalignment of the optical fiber joints. If the radiation cone of the emitting fiber is not going to match with the acceptance cone of the receiving fiber, then we say that the radiation loss is going to take place. So here in this case, we say that you are going to have one fiber. So this is your fiber here, and this is going to be another fiber. When this fiber is going to radiate, this is going to be called as the radiation this is your the radiation cone of your emitting fiber should match with the acceptance core of the receiving fiber. If this doesn't match, in that case there is a loss that is going to occur here. So that losses are going to be called your radiation loss is going to take place. So the magnitude of the radiation loss is going to depend on the degree of the misalignment of the fibers there. So here in this case, there are different types of mechanical misalignments. One is your lateral or axial misalignment. The other one is your longitudinal misalignment, and third one is your angular misalignment there. So here when we say lateral or axial misalignment is axial itself it tells when the axis of the core fibers are going to be separated by a distance d, then we call it as your lateral or axial misalignment there. So longitudinal misalignment is when the fibers have the same axis but the ends are not end faces are going to be separated by a distance s. That is, when the two axes are going to be separated by a distance s, then we call that as longitudinal misalignment there. Third one is your angular misalignment. So angular misalignment is when the fiber axis and the fiber end faces are no longer parallel. So when it is not going to be parallel, then there is going to be an angle theta between the fiber and the axis there. So here we say that the axial offset is going to be reduced, the common core area of the two fiber end faces. So when the common core area of the two fiber end faces are going to be proper, then the axial offset can be reduced there. So the lateral misalignment can reduce the overlap region between the two fiber cores there. So we say that the lateral coupling efficiency for two similar step index fiber can be written as your lateral coupling efficiency is 16 n1 by n the whole square by 1 plus n1 by n the whole power 4 into 1 by pi 2 cos inverse of y by 2a minus y by a into 1 minus y by 2a the whole square the whole power half. That means that you are going to find the lateral coupling efficiency there. So where n1 is nothing but the core refractive index, n is the refractive index of the medium between the fibers, y is the lateral offset of the fiber core axis, and a is going to be the fiber core radius there. So the lateral misalignment is going to be, the loss in decibels is going to be around minus 10 log to the base 10 lateral efficiency there. So here the lateral misalignment, that was for a single step index fiber. Now we are going to see for a multi-mode graded index fiber. So here in this case, when I am going to consider a multi-mode graded index fiber, there is going to be a uniform distribution of the optical power throughout the guided modes there. So when it is going to be, because in your multi-mode graded index fiber, the refractive index is going to be continuously varying in the core. So it is going to follow almost a parabolic profile. So in that case, the lateral offset is going to be of a very low value there. So we can say that the lateral offset misalignment loss is LT. LT is equal to 2 by pi y by a into alpha plus 2 by alpha plus 1 for 0 greater than or equal to y less than or equal to 0.2a. So a is the fiber core radius, y is the lateral offset, alpha is going to be the profile, the refractive index gradient alpha there. Next is the lateral coupling efficiency. The lateral coupling efficiency can be given as 1 minus LT. So LT is nothing but 8 by 3 pi into y by a, or we can have it as this 8 by 3 pi is nothing but 0.85 into y by a. So next loss is your angular misalignment loss at joints in the multimode step index fiber is going to be given as your angular misalignment loss is 16 into n1 by n the whole square by 1 plus n1 by n the whole power 4 into 1 minus n theta by pi n1 into 2 del the whole power half, where theta is nothing but the angular displacement in radians, delta is the relative refractive index difference of the fiber there. So next is the losses that is going to occur due to the geometric variations of your optical multimode fiber joint. So the loss that is going to result from the mismatch of your core diameters. So core diameters means the loss is going to be given as loss of CD. CD is your core diameter. So it can be given as minus 10 log to the base 10 A2 by A1 the whole square in decibels when A2 is going to be less than A1. It is going to be 0 decibels for A2 greater than or equivalent to A1, where A1 and A2 are going to be the core radii of the transmitting and the receiving fibers respectively. So in that case, no loss is going to be incurred in the receiving fiber because it is going to have a larger diameter. A2 is going to have a larger diameter than the transmitting one. Next is the loss that is going to be caused by the mismatch of the numerical apertures. So numerical apertures is loss of the numerical aperture is minus 10 log to the base 10 Na2 by Na1 the whole square in decibels, where Na2 is going to be less than Na1. So the numerical aperture of the second fiber is going to be less than the numerical aperture of the first fiber. If it is going to be 0 means your numerical aperture of the second fiber is going to be greater than or equivalent to numerical aperture of the first fiber. Next is a mismatch in the refractive index profile. So refractive index profile is, we will take it as loss of Ri. So loss of Ri is going to be minus 10 log to the base 10 alpha 2 into alpha 1 plus 2 by alpha 1 into alpha 2 plus 2 in decibels, where alpha 2 is going to be less than alpha 1. So here alpha 1 and alpha 2 are nothing but the profile parameters of your transmitting and the receiving fibers. And next is your total intrinsic loss. So the total intrinsic losses that is going to be obtained at multimode fiber to fiber joints are going to be provided by this equation. That is minus 10 log to the base 10 A2 into Na2 the whole square into alpha 1 plus 2 into alpha 2 divided by A1 Na1 the whole square alpha 2 plus 2 into alpha 1 decibels, where A2 is going to be greater than A1 and Na2 is going to be greater than Na1 and alpha 2 is going to be greater than alpha 1. If this condition is not met, your loss is going to be, intrinsic loss is going to be 0 decibels. Next is single mode fiber joints. So single mode fiber joints is, there is going to be misalignment of the losses, the misalignment losses at the connections in your single mode fibers. So it is going to be based on the Gaussian or the near Gaussian shape of the modes. So Gaussian shape is going to be a bell-shaped mode. So if it is going to be a Gaussian or Gaussian shape of the modes, there is going to be a losses, misalignment losses in your single mode fibers. So here we define it as your loss Ti due to lateral offset is going to be given as 2.17 into y by w the whole square decibels, where w is the normalized spot size of the fundamental mode. So the normalized spot size for the linearly polarized 0,1 mode is going to correspond to He mode, which may be obtained from this formula, where W is equivalent to A into 0.65 plus 1.62 V power minus 3 by 2 plus 2.88 V power minus 6 by 2 power half, where W is the spot size in micrometer, A is going to be the fiber core radius, and V is the normalized frequency for the fiber. Thank you.